Welcome to Best Buying Report. The Best Mint Magic Broom is probably one of the most innovative cleaning tools to hit the market, boasting a unique design that promises to revolutionize how you tackle everyday messes with unparalleled efficiency and ease, making it a standout choice for anyone seeking a simpler, more effective way to maintain a spotless home. Number 5. Stardrops the Pink Stuff Miracle Cleaning Paste. Discover the cleaning power of the Pink Stuff Miracle Cleaning Paste. It's your all-purpose solution for a sparkling home. Tackle tough grime and dirt with ease. This paste makes cleaning your kitchen and bathroom surfaces a breeze. From the kitchen sink to bathroom tiles, it works wonders everywhere. Experience a truly deep clean. See the miracle for yourself. This cleaner leaves surfaces looking brand new with minimal effort. Achieve a brilliant shine on all your household surfaces. It's the ultimate cleaning companion. Simply apply, scrub gently, and wipe away. You'll be amazed at how effective it is. What we like. This cleaner tackles tough grime with ease. If you're looking for a versatile solution for kitchens and bathrooms, this is it. Its gentle yet effective formula makes it a go-to for everyday messes. What people say. Cleaned my glass stove top with little effort on burnt-on food. Cleans copper bottom pans nicely. Took soap scum off of the shower walls, leaving them smooth and clean. The paste tackles tough grime impressively well, especially on stovetops, sinks, and outdoor surfaces. A little goes a long way, and it's satisfying to see stains lift with minimal scrubbing. It has worked wonders in completely cleaning my bathroom tiles and grouts, transforming them from dull and stained to sparkling and pristine. It has worked wonders in completely cleaning my bathroom tiles and grouts, transforming them from dull and stained to sparkling and pristine. Number 4. FURemover Original Pet Hair Rubber Broom. Tired of dust and pet hair scattering? Our unique rubber bristles attract and collect debris, providing a deep clean for your floors and carpets. It's a must-have for any pet-loving home. Say goodbye to stubborn pet hair. With short, sharp strokes, you can easily lift embedded hair from carpets and rugs. It works better than traditional brooms and vacuums for a truly deep clean. Customize your cleaning experience with the adjustable telescopic handle. Extend it from 34 to 58 inches to find the perfect length for comfortable cleaning without bending or straining. Maintenance is a breeze. The soft rubber bristles are water-resistant and quick-drying. Simply rinse them with water, and they'll be like new, ready for years of use. Beyond floors, this tool is incredibly versatile. Use the built-in squeegee edge to clean windows, showers, and even tackle liquid spills on various surfaces. It's perfect for both indoor and outdoor cleaning needs. What we like. Effortlessly collect pet hair and debris without scattering. If you have furry friends at home, this is a game changer for keeping carpets and floors clean. Its integrated squeegee also handles spills, making it a multifunctional cleaning tool. What people say. Like other reviews have noted, this broom is at its most effective on pet hair when the rubber blade is used, as opposed to the rubber bristles. The bristle side does a bit of hair removal, but it often tosses hair out of the way or into the air. I find it's best to use the blade side, and then once everything is clean, to fluff the carpet with the bristles. The handle on this thing is solid and long enough for a moderately tall person like me. Solid enough that when I nearly passed out, it caught me and kept me upright without collapsing. Number 3. Trycooling Handheld Groove Gap Cleaning Tool. Introducing a versatile cleaning tool designed to tackle those hard-to-reach places. It's perfect for cleaning window tracks, sliding doors, and shower door tracks with ease. Its elevated, ergonomic handle keeps your hand clear, preventing injury while ensuring a clear view of your cleaning area. This thoughtful design makes cleaning more comfortable and safe. This tool features a narrow tufted brush on one end to sweep away loose dirt. On the opposite end, a scraper is included to remove debris trapped in corners. Designed with a hanging hole, it can be easily hung up, occupying less space in your home. Keep your cleaning tools organized and accessible. Choose from blue, green, or pink. Your color will be sent at random. This tool is as practical as it is colorful. What we like. Reach into tight spaces with precision. If you struggle with cleaning window tracks, door frames, or other narrow gaps, this tool is designed for you. Its dual-ended functionality makes tackling stubborn dirt in crevices simple. What people say. This little tool has a cleaning brush on one end that fits nicely into all these tracks to sweep away any dirt, dust, or debris that gets in your tracks. The other end has a scraper tool to get into the corners. The brush works well around sinks, faucets, and windows and is easy to wash out. The handle is super comfortable. Number 2. Telescopic long-handled broom, light blue. Tired of brooms that are too short or too long? This innovative broom features a telescopic handle, allowing you to effortlessly adjust its length to perfectly suit your cleaning needs. Crafted with a thicker and stronger aluminum alloy rod, this broom is built to last. Its vibrant light blue color adds a touch of style to your cleaning tools. Whether you're tidying up inside your tent or cleaning up outdoor spaces, this broom is your ideal companion. It works wonders on various surfaces. With an extension length of up to 44.7 inches and a shortened length of 25.6 inches, it offers flexibility for different tasks and easy storage. Say goodbye to camp cleanup woes. This broom makes tidying up your campsite a breeze, ensuring a clean and comfortable outdoor experience. What we like. Enjoy adjustable cleaning reach with a strong yet light design. If you need a broom for both indoor and outdoor use, especially for camping or uneven terrain, this is a great choice. Its extendable handle ensures comfort for various tasks and users. What people say. The modern Mint Magic Broom is designed with a unique, flexible head that easily maneuvers around furniture and into tight corners, ensuring a thorough clean. Its integrated squeegee edge effectively removes liquid spills from floors, making it a versatile tool for both dry sweeping and wet mopping. The lightweight construction and ergonomic handle reduce strain during use, providing a comfortable cleaning experience. Number 1. MEIBEI Pet Hair Removal Broom. Are you struggling to keep your home free from stubborn pet hair? It clings to carpets, rugs, and floors, making cleaning a constant battle. Meet the MEIBEI Pet Hair Removal Broom, your new best friend in the fight against fur. Its innovative design makes tackling pet hair easier than ever before. Featuring soft yet effective rubber bristles, this broom gently yet thoroughly lifts embedded pet hair from various surfaces. It works wonders on carpets, rugs, and even hard floors. The extended long handle ensures you can reach every corner without straining your back. Cleaning becomes a comfortable and efficient task. From hardwood and linoleum to carpets and rugs, this broom is designed to handle it all. Say goodbye to frustrating pet hair on any surface in your home. Experience a cleaner home with minimal effort. This tool is specifically engineered to collect fur effectively, leaving your living spaces spotless. What we like. Gently yet effectively lifts pet fur from all surfaces. If you're tired of pet hair clinging to carpets, rugs, and hardwood floors, this is the solution. Its soft bristles and squeegee edge make it ideal for a thorough, fur-free clean. What people say. This product works excellent. I highly recommend if you have long-haired dogs. Great for laminate tile floors. I've used it on rugs in kitchen and pulls animal hair quite well. The metal handle is sturdy and doesn't try to come unscrewed while sweeping. The rubber bristles are amazing. I'd never go back to a standard broom. The rubber bristles help keep everything in the pile, and rarely does anything try to blow away. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.